Welcome back. And today we'll be going over Kargo Marketplace, also known as KM. To get started, we'll type in our email, which Kargo Marketplace will usually remember, and our password, and then click sign in or hit the enter key. When we first get into Kargo Marketplace, you'll be brought to your dashboard with all the campaigns that you are currently assigned to. You'll also notice some top-level information, how many campaigns you have live, how many campaigns are starting soon, and how many campaigns are ending soon. On the left side of your screen, you can see your recently viewed box. You can tell whether it's a campaign, placement, or creative that you've recently viewed, and can click in to any one of these by simply clicking on the name. In the top right-hand corner, you'll notice your initials. And this is how you get to your settings or to log out. When you click into settings, you have a couple different options of things that you can do. You can upload a photo, you can enter your phone number, or you can reset your password, and then click submit in the top right-hand corner. Next to our Kargo logo in the top left-hand corner, you'll notice the Manage tab, which will bring us to various functions of Kargo Marketplace, including a full campaign list and our site list builder, which will be the two that you will be using the most. If you click into campaigns, you'll be brought to a page with a list of every single campaign that's been input into Kargo Marketplace. At the top of this campaign list, there's also a search function and filter functions. You can search for a specific campaign, or you can search by status. We default to active and upcoming, or you can use more filters to find things such as brand vertical, advertisers, certain brands, or a date range. Now, to get back to our own campaign list, we can simply click the Kargo Marketplace logo in the top left-hand corner, and let's search for our campaign that we want to deal with today. Start with Discover. By simply searching it in the search bar, we can find our Discover campaigns and see some top-level data like status, flight dates, total spend to date. We can check the team that's assigned to the campaign, or we can delete the whole thing completely, but let's not do that. On the left-hand side, we can click the arrow button to see every single placement that is inside this campaign, along with status, flight dates, rate, target spend, and an estimate of impressions, which are tracked by Kargo Marketplace. We can also duplicate or delete the placement on the right-hand side, but that's more for AMs than for us. Now let's click into the campaign. Right next to the name of the campaign, you'll notice a little orange bookmark. This bookmark will not be orange unless it is clicked off, and then it's added to the bookmarks in the top right corner, which you can click into directly from any page. As we scroll down the page, we can see all the placements that are associated with this campaign. All the information here should match exactly what is in the IO for this campaign. There is also more information on the left side of the page. On the left side of the page in the campaign information box, we have things like flight dates, total spend, sales agency, advertiser. We have a spot for ad server integrations, which is what links us up to our DFP campaigns. You can see the team again and more of our billing information. As a reminder, all this information from placements to campaign information is input by account managers. Let's search for one specific placement and click into it. Now inside the placement, we can see top-level information like impressions and total clicks as well, along with our CTR. We can see our impressions to our goal and how we're pacing. At the top of the page, we have several tabs. Inside the Creatives tab, we can see the creatives that we have built. We can build new creatives, or we can duplicate these creatives. We can also see our impressions and clicks for each creative. Inside Invoices, we can add invoices for the previous month to bill our clients. We can see how much we've billed for in previous months, and we can see how far off to our goal we are. Inside our Performance tab, we can see the performance of each creative, including our impressions, clicks, CTR, time spent. We can click in further to find other quartile tracking or any other trackers we might have. To back out to more top-level parts of our campaign, we can simply click them in the top left-hand corner there. Let's jump into our Media Plan tab here. The Media Plan tab will show us exactly how we're going to set up our campaign for initial trafficking in DFP. If we click our site skin line here, we'll get a drop down. You can see we have our information there that we need, such as impressions and CPM. If we click the main mobile website skin standard line, we can see all the sites we need to tag up to, and on the right side of the page we can see all the impressions we need to allocate to that line. We can also see carve-outs with the blue pair of scissors with the same information. We can click it again to recollapse it. In the top right hand corner we have the lightning bolt, which we can click on for our site list. Our site list is a list of approved sites for each campaign. In the top right hand corner here we have a section for discussions, where we can post anything we need to who we need to in the campaign level. You can add an entirely new discussion, or you can simply post on one that already exists by adding a comment, typing in what you need to say, and saving it there at the bottom. We can either X out in the top right, or we can simply go back with the arrow key in the left. We also have a section here for files. You have a download button where we can download these files, or a trash can where we can trash them. We also have an upload for new files in the top right hand corner.